Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil, and I'm going to show around this 5008 SUV in the GT line premium specification. So this car features a large opening panoramic glass roof, there's 19-inch alloy wheels, full LED headlights, electric tailgate. You also get front and rear parking sensors with a 360-degree camera system. Now inside the car you've got a half leather interior, the front seats are heated and the driver's seat has massage function. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with a speed limiter and also a smartphone charging plate. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 9,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. Thank you.